Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question 25. BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question 25. A man gets 120,000 naira for working for 30 days. What is his work per day? A man gets 120,000 naira for working for 30 days. What is his work per day? A. 4,000 naira, B. 4,200, C. 4,500, and D. 4,800. So we are asked to calculate how much the man gets for working per day. Since the man gets 120,000 for working for 30 days, now we have to find his earning per day. Now the question says the man gets 120,000 naira. That is for 30 days. For 30 days. For 30 days, a man gets what? He gets 120,000 naira. 120,000 naira for working for 30 days. So how much will he get for one day? That is, what is his pay per day? Now if he gets 120,000 naira for 30 days, now for one day, how much will this man get? Now let's term that amount to be what? To be X naira. Let's term his pay per day to be X naira. Now the man makes 120,000 naira for 30 days. Now for one day, how much will he make? He will make X naira in one day. Now we cross multiply. So what are we having here? We'll have that what? 30 will multiply X, and 1 will multiply 120. So from this cross multiplication, you have what? You have that 30 multiply by X is equal to 1 multiply by 120,000. And 30 multiplied by X will give us what? It will give us 30X is equal to 1 multiplied by 120,000 will give us 120,000. Now how do we find X? We simply find X by dividing both sides by X. That is, you divide here by dividing both sides by 30, because now you want to make X of the formula. So when you divide here by 30 and you divide this side by 30 also by 30, now this 30 here we cancel this 30 here, and so you have that what? You have that X is equal to 120,000 all over 30. Now let's do a division. This 0 will cancel 1 0 here, and then 12 divided by 3 will give us 4. So therefore X is equal to 4,000 naira. X is equals to 4,000 naira, because you have 4 here and you have 3 zeros. So therefore a man that gets 120,000 naira for working for 30 days will get 4,000 naira for working for a day. That means his pay per day is 4,000 naira. And from our option here, A here says what? 4,000 naira. So our answer is A, 4,000 naira. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.